Returning a shirt to the store. Can I return this?
What is it?
It's a shirt.
What's wrong with it?
Well, nothing's wrong with it. It just doesn't fit.
Is the color wrong?
No, the color's fine. But the size is much too small.
Do you remember when you bought it?
I didn't.
You didn't buy the shirt. Who bought it?
My friend bought it.
Do you remember when your friend bought it?
She bought it last week.
Okay, good. Do you have the receipt?
As a matter of fact, I do.
Let me have the shirt and the receipt, please. Would you like to exchange it for a larger size?
Can I get cash back instead?
No, but I can give you store credit.
What is that?
Well, the shirt was $19.99, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Well, I can give you a store coupon good for $19.99. Or you can exchange this shirt for a larger size.
Okay, I'll take the coupon.
Okay.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do.
When a question starts with do you, we answer with yes I do, or I don't.
Oh. What kind of pet do you have?
Can you guess?
Can I guess? Okay. Do you have a pet dog?
No. I do not have a pet dog.
Okay. You do not have a pet dog. Do you have a pet cat?
No. I do not have a pet cat.
You do not have a pet cat. Do you have a pet fish?
No, I do not have a pet fish.
You don't have a pet fish.
You cannot guess? Do you want me to tell you?
No, wait a minute. I'm thinking. Give me one more guess.
Okay. I'll give you one more guess.
I know. You have a pet monkey.
What? A pet monkey? Why would I have a pet monkey?
Because you look like a monkey.
I don't look like a monkey. You look like a monkey.
Okay, I cannot guess. What kind of pet do you have?
I have a pet iguana.
An iguana? How unusual. Where did you get it?
From the pet shop. How long have you had it? About 4 years.
Wow. What is your iguana's name?
His name is Winnie.
Winnie. What does Winnie do?
Winnie doesn't do very much. He's quite lazy.
Oh. What does Winnie eat?
Winnie's a vegetarian. Winnie eats vegetables.
That's quite interesting.